Hi, I'm Aaron Branson. I work at Pipe Wrench and I'm a plumbing service technician. I decided to come work with Pipe Wrench because I was looking for a good opportunity that was going to support me and my family financially, as well as mentally, and further me in my career in plumbing. Before I came to Pipe Wrench, I worked mostly in the commercial industry for a company here in Knoxville, working mostly in the hospitals, doing work as renovations, new construction, as well as installing medical gas systems and heating and air systems. The thing I like most about working with Pipe Wrench is getting to help various customers throughout my day and just getting to meet new people and learn about their experiences. The things I like to do outside of work are spend time with my family, my 3 kids. I also enjoy playing video games as well as just traveling, going to parks, spending time outside.